where we took another look, a current look, at 230 structurally deficient bridges that we had rated previously structurally deficient in our state, to make sure from a safety standpoint that we didn't have problems that evolved beyond what we saw last year. As it turns out, we had several of them, like this one here on Mineral Spring Avenue, that needed immediate attention, that had critical findings. In fact, 28 of the 230 bridges came back with critical findings, some more severe than others. 4 of them, 5 actually, counting the Park Avenue Bridge, needed immediate attention and lane closures, if not the entire bridge.